Hey Explorers, Kita the Explorer here, and today I'm here to talk about travel insurance and why you need travel insurance and where to buy travel insurance. So make sure you watch this video to the end so you can know exactly where you can go to compare different policies, as well as know why it's important for you to consider travel insurance for your upcoming travels, for your summer plans and beyond. Let's get into today's video. Oh, and before we do, I'm Kita the Explorer, so make sure you hit the subscribe button and a notification bell so you can hear about all things travel and sustainability here on this channel. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. And if any point during this video you find it helpful, you can leave me a little tip by hitting the thanks button down below, which will help me provide more and better content to you in the future. Now let's get into today's video. So first of all, do I need or do you need travel insurance? So first off, you want to look at all of your other policies and opportunities where you could have some travel insurance coverage, but you need to look at it because it may not be an extensive amount of coverage to help you if you get into a situation as you're traveling. So you may want to look at your credit cards. Credit cards have a variety of different travel insurance opportunities. Some cards actually go well above and beyond on travel insurance, but it's a very small amount of credit cards where they may actually include the medical insurance benefit as well as trip cancellation and so much more. So you want to look at your different policies on your cards to see what is covered. Some may just cover very general travel insurance where, like I said, some go a little bit more extensive. Also, you may want to check with your health insurance to see if there's any travel insurance opportunities. If you are not fully covered, then you really need to look into getting travel insurance. If you are fully covered, there's no need to go and buy more travel insurance because you already have all the coverage you need. Also, you may want to consider travel insurance depending on what type of trip you're going on. Domestically, not really, because I know I can cancel my flight or reschedule my flight or cancel my hotel, and making sure I have those free cancellation or rescheduling opportunities. I also have health insurance in the United States if something was to happen to me. So I usually don't buy travel insurance when I travel domestically, but internationally, my health insurance doesn't go too far. So if I was to get sick or hurt or something really bad happens, I need to have the travel insurance when I go to another country. And if you're gonna be doing something really extensive, like going skiing or doing something very adventurous, you definitely wanna make sure you are covered if something was to happen to you while you're doing that adventurous activity. And not to mention, even if you are not doing something adventurous, if you are traveling internationally, you can still pick up an illness, like the thing that we encountered in 2020, the Rona, or something else. You may not be able to get healthcare coverage without that travel insurance policy. So those are things you need to consider if you need travel insurance, not. If you already have coverage through some other means like your credit card or health insurance, if you're traveling domestically or internationally, and if you're doing something adventurous or not. Those are things you should think about before purchasing travel insurance. So I have went to get my phone because I'm going to show you the mobile version. It's similar to the desktop version if you're on a computer, of Travel Insurance Master. Travel Insurance Master, I am an affiliate partner with Travel Insurance Master, and I will leave the link down below if you want to actually look at purchasing travel insurance through them, through me. And if you do purchase through that link, I will possibly get a commission at no additional cost to you. So right now I'm on Travel Insurance Master, the mobile version. And when you come here and you get started, you're going to choose your destination. So I'm going to choose my upcoming destination, which is Aruba. And you're going to start by clicking get your free code. Now I love Travel Insurance Master because it has a multitude of travel insurance companies and policies here on their site that you can compare to see how much it costs and see what is covered before you purchase it. So I'm going to pick a departure date. So I'll just pick August 15th and return August 22nd. So you will actually put in your actual travel dates when you get to this page. Then you hit next, and then I'm just gonna give an estimate that the trip costs $3,000. It's just going to be me as a traveler. So if you do have multiple people traveling with you, you can increase the cost of the trip and put how many people are traveling with you. So only one person, and then I'm gonna put my age is 35. I'm gonna click next. And then when I get here, I'm gonna put my resident information. So I'm gonna click next. And then this is where you can put in information about your initial deposit date and your final payment date. This is important. And make sure you don't lie about this because you never know when you may need documentation. You should always purchase the travel insurance like as close as possible to when you make your first payment on your trip, because you can get more benefits that are time sensitive. So we're going to just pick that we purchased our policy today, which I'm recording on March 18th, and I have not made my final payment. So I'm gonna click next. And then I'm gonna tell them what type of trip it is. It's an air travel, and then I'm gonna view the quote. As you can see, let's just scroll down a little bit. As you can see, it gives the information here. So it has like all of the policies here at the top that you can scroll through, but then you can scroll down and see what's included in each of the policies. So you can see what type of cancellation insurance is covered, medical evacuation or non-medical evacuation, loss or delay, accidental death, sports, rental card, other type of benefits. I always make sure when I'm looking for policies that I always have medical coverage included. So primary and emergency medical, and you wanna make sure medical evacuation is covered as well, because you never know when you may need to be air flighted out somewhere because you get too messed up, okay? So those are the things that you need to consider. Obviously other things are important as well, but those are really important. Also, you may wanna look at the cancellation matters. Make sure that you can get 100% of your trip costs back, like for any reason, weather conditions, if you got laid off, if the company went under. It's because you never know when a company goes under, you never know when the weather's gonna be bad, you never know when you may have a financial situation. If you purchase your travel insurance as soon as you book your first part of your trip, you can have a cancel for any reason policy. If you scroll through, obviously you see a large amount of, or a wide range of policies here. So here is a recommended policy. It's by IMG Travel SE plan, and you can actually view the certificate of the plan, and then again you can scroll down and see all of the details of the plan. As you go down, you see medical coverage is included, so primary medical as well as emergency medical and dental coverage, and there's medical evacuation coverage. So I would definitely love this policy, and also it's only $100. But I can scroll down and see that, okay, yes, trip delay, baggage loss, misconnection. It has some type of coverage there. It has some accidental death coverage. It does have a rental car coverage. I'm not renting a car, but that's helpful if some people do. So this is definitely a nice plan. And when I go to buy the plan, you can review the information that you inputted at the beginning, and then you can also click the review the plan details, and then you're gonna put in your information to purchase. Once you purchase your travel insurance, then you'll get an email that will give you the policy, an ID card, and it'll give you an extensive document. Usually it's like 50 pages of what is covered or not in your policy. And you definitely you don't want to print it, that's too many pages, but you definitely want to review that and keep it handy, keep it saved until after you come back from your trip. All right, so some quick tips about traveling with travel insurance. So if you want to make sure you are covered when it comes to your baggage and you don't know if it's going to get lost or not, or delayed or something, you definitely want to take a photo of your luggage, like inside and out. You want to take a photo of the inside of the luggage, so if it does get lost, you can actually verify exactly what was inside of your luggage when you gave it to the airline. Also, make sure you always keep every piece of documentation. So as soon as you book your first part of your travel plans, your travel insurance, all of your plans, and until you come back from your trip, keep all of that documented. If something happens like a cancellation or a delay or something, you need to be able to prove that you purchased that item and have documentation of that purchase to submit to the travel insurance company. And if you were to get sick as you travel, you need to make sure you have documentation of that, so when you go to submit a claim, you can have that supporting information to give to the travel insurance company. All right, explorers, I had to come in here and talk about travel insurance in 2023 because travel insurance is always important. You do not want to ever get in a sticky situation because you didn't purchase it. So in this video, we talked about why you may need travel insurance, and we talked about where to buy travel insurance from, and I gave you a few little tips about working with the travel insurance company. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. It is free for you to do so, and it helps me provide more better content to you in the future. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments about this video, leave them down below in the comment box. Again, if you would like to purchase travel insurance from Travel Insurance Master, I have my affiliate link down below. And if you purchase anything through that link, I may receive a commission and no additional cost to you. Make sure you share this video with your friends, family, and social media networks. And thank you so much for watching, and have a great day or night wherever in the world you are. Bye.